Enter Warehouse 15 for Odoo in the search engine. Go to the app page on the Odoo App Store. Select your Odoo version and click Download. Save the zip file to your PC. Navigate to the folder where you saved your zip file and unzip it. Open the unzipped folder, copy CLV API. Navigate to the Odoo folder, then Server, then Odoo, then Add-ons. Paste. Now open the Task Manager. Then Services. Find Odoo Server Service. Right-click on it, then choose Restart. Now go to your Odoo settings. Scroll all the way down and activate the developer mode. After that, go to Apps and click Update Apps List. And then update the browser page. Go to Inventory category, Warehouse 15 for Odoo module will appear. Activate it. If you see a warning pop up, it means you first need to install an additional Python library required for the module to work. Go back to the folder where Odoo is installed, then open the Python folder. Open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type the following command. Wait for the installation to complete, then close the command prompt. Now go back and click Activate on the module again. Congratulations, you have installed the Warehouse 15 module. You will see a red QR code for connecting your mobile device. Scan it. Follow the link that appears. Download the Warehouse 15 mobile app. Go to your Downloads folder and locate the downloaded app. Install the app. Android may scan the application during installation. Accept the privacy policy. Grant the necessary permissions for the app. Tap the scan icon and scan the red QR code in your Odoo database. Wait for the connection process to complete. You will see a message confirming successful connection to the Odoo database. Next, the main screen of the app will appear with a list of operations. Choose any operation, for example, receipts. You'll see a list of documents pulled directly from Odoo. Tap on any document to open it and start working with it on your mobile device. That's it. Have a good day.